Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a video review for the AVerMedia. This is basically a live streaming arm that you could use to mount your microphone. So I'll go through this video, kind of show you the setup of this, some of the adjustment options, and I'll show you what I'm actually going to be doing to set this up here at my desk. So I actually decided to get this because as of right now I'm utilizing the HyperX Quadcast microphone, and while this is actually quite nice on its stand, I thought it'd be nicer to have something where I could maneuver this as needed while doing things like podcasting, video course creation, anything that I'm doing that's online where I'm recording video. I'm currently waiting to get an adapter for this, so I haven't hooked it all up yet, but I could still show you the actual arm and how this is all set up. So in terms of installation, you're going to be starting with the base here. So more or less you're just looking at your standard clamp that basically this rotates and then clamps to your desk. I put this all the way on the edge. Initially when you get this, this is all one separate piece starting from where my finger is here. This inserts into the base and then you screw this Phillips screwdriver in, tightening this to the base. So now this can actually rotate at this axis. So this is kind of nice. As needed, I can move this. And then I also have the ability that I can adjust this down. And this is very tight to the point that wherever I adjust it, it's basically going to stay in that location. So if I move it this way, stop, it's going to stay there. If I move it this way, stop, it's going to stay there. So that's one thing I really love about this arm. You also have another access point here where you can do the same thing. So again, similarly, I can adjust this as needed and just put it anywhere I want and allow it to actually stay in that particular position. You also have another rotating axis here. So this piece will actually rotate as needed, and it's a little bit tougher to move, but you can see I can actually rotate this. So wherever I ultimately want my microphone, this is going to be the threaded piece that would go on the bottom of the microphone. So this particular microphone actually has a clip adapter that goes around the shock absorber here, and basically this will have the actual spin threading on it, so I'll be able to tie it right to this. In terms of adjustment, you do also have a knob here that you can twist and tighten to actually just tighten this up. But otherwise, this is a really, really nice arm. It looks nice. I see the, you know, it's got the really nice AVerMedia branding here, and then you also have this red accent going through all these different base pieces here. So this is really, really nice. Another thing that's great is, as you can see here, I have an ultra-wide monitor, and just due to the way that this is designed, if I, let's say, mounted this like over here in between my two monitors, I could actually have my microphone literally coming right over my monitor, even being as large as this, and still having enough clearance to be able to kind of position this where I want. I decided to put it over here on the side, one, because I already have a dual monitor arm here, and this basically would kind of get in the way, and I've got a lot of wires and other things going on back there, so I figured this would be the best spot. It was kind of where I had the microphone originally, but it gives me the capability, if I want to bring it like way out, I could do that and kind of get creative. I could even potentially remount over here and then get some more versatility to be able to bring it like more towards my desk setup. So overall, I think if you're looking for a really nice microphone boom arm, something that you could mount, this is definitely a really good choice, and I'm very happy with it so far. I'm just waiting on the adapter so I can actually mount my microphone and, you know, be able to set this up the way I really want. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video review.